Hey, Holden Colorado, just waiting for it to be programmed. Got a key made, got the battery on charge. I'm going to go through the process of another couple of minutes to wait. Open and close the door. Key into the ignition. Lids are on. Mobiliser light is still on. It's configuring the system now. So we've got another 45 seconds to wait. Okay, so we just got to put the clutch in on this because it's manual. We do not have enough power to get this car to start, so we're going to have to jump it. I had a battery on charge. Let's just try it. Bonnet's open, unlocked, locked. So we'll have to jump the car just to get it started. You can try. I don't think it's going to have enough power in it. Nah. Well, that's it. I know the key works because the starter motor will not go, and also the immobiliser light goes out too. So we know 100% it's programmed.